garden friends. We're about to do some sheet mulching on this border right here, this park shade hydrangea border. I know lately my videos have been a little grainy because I'm recording later in the evening. So just bear with me on that. So try to get as much of the tape off as possible because the tape is not biodegradable. You want to get the tape off, anything with glue on it. Now, is it necessary to take it off? Everybody's situation is different. It's necessary for me, but it won't be necessary for somebody else, you know? The key to sheet mulching is that you want to deprive the weeds of sunlight for photosynthesis. Also, the layer of cardboard prevents the seeds that are underneath to germinate properly. So it's starting to get dark and I'm not sure how clear this video will come out. But in this step in the process is where I go ahead and wet the cardboard with some water. And then after I wet the cardboard, I go ahead and put the mulch on top.